So when a customer first approaches Midas, it all starts with the customer's idea. They come to us with what they would like to do, their application. We then speak to our in-house engineering team to find out what solutions we could potentially offer, and we then provide them with all the data via a Teams call, an email or a face-to-face meeting.
To be able to offer a solution to them after we've listened to their initial requirements, I think, is to almost try and work with them to look at the range of products that we have and come out with a short list of where we can go with that. It gives the customer all the opportunity to be able to make some decisions on where they want to go.
So the design phase looks like we would speak to the customer, look at their requirements, ensure that they have picked the correct display for their application. And then second, if it isn't the right display, we would recommend something which is more suitable. Once we've nailed that down, then we will move on to the next stage of getting the display to work in their system. Ideally, we would like to have the same system that they have here in the lab so that we can develop in parallel and collaboratively with the customers. And from then on, it's just a continuous process until we get the final product working alongside the customer.
So as your project gets into pre-production and production, our team of engineers are there to make sure that you're getting the right support.
This stage is so crucial in the journey because it's the stage where you can mitigate all the risks before you go into mass production. We would usually allocate one engineer throughout the whole cycle of the whole project. That person is a single point of contact that would know the project from the start to finish. If you could fix all the issues and errors early on in the development stage, that means once it's out in the field and that's in production, that's it.
Once you're ready for production, we ensure a seamless transition to mass production. Midas is committed to securing a stable supply chain supporting the full product life cycle. This guarantees that your product is produced consistently and efficiently with no interruptions.
Once a product is launched, we enter sort of an aftercare process. This is really important to Midas. We don't see ourselves as just a display supplier. We are a displays partner for our customers, so that involves being in a long-term relationship where we're there to support the customer with anything that they need the whole way throughout the process, from initial design to full production. And after full production, that includes being there to answer any further technical queries, assist with the display element of their product, any further tweaks they need to their design. Midas are there to support the customer.